like this one. So maybe you'll hear me. Wounded bird, it's not over yet. There's more life to live. Get yourself up off the ground. Just take that first step. You can fly if you wanted to. Just take that first leap. It will be alright. It will be alright. It will be alright now. Don't look back, don't look back, you can do this now. Just take that first step. And you should know you're not all alone. I'm right here with you. Wounded bird, you can fly away. Just take that first leap. I knew that it would be alright. I told you it would be alright. I wanted it to be alright now. Wounded bird, you've just flown away. Now look at you soar. Now look at you soar. Now look How about that Steve Dawson, huh? Woo. Thank you, Steve. I owe you big time. Big time.
I love that song.
It's catching. It's catching on to me. I'm kind of getting used to it.